This is springtime. The fruits are springing up, the leaves are springing up, everything is coming back to life. Behold the beauty of nature. This is Douglas Park, and people are free to come over here to rest, to play sports, to reflect, to meditate, to catch fun. And that's a mobile toilet in case that's a portable mobile toilet. And that's the official toilet. Built for people to use free. And that's the beauty of nature. You can come over here. If you wanna relax, you come over. If you wanna play, you come over. And to camp a few people, you come over. But if you have so many people to camp, you have to get permission, and maybe you have to pay some money. But if you have few people to, you just come over here, 5, 10 people. You can come over, no, don't need any permission. You can prepare a barbecue, whatever. But alcohol is not allowed. Yeah, okay. And this is permit required. If you want to do some of these things, alcohol, amplify sound, concession and vending, gathering of of people, 50 or more people. See, if you break any of these rules, up to $500 fine for violation. And that's it. But if you have less than 50 people, they can gather, eat, drink, but don't drink alcohol. If you must drink alcohol, you must have permit. So that is it. That's how a city is supposed to be. That's how people should organize their area so that the youth can have place to come and exercise themselves. The adults can have a place to come and relax, communicate, family. And that is not idol worship. Some people, you know, it is only in Africa that whenever we see calf thing, we begin to attribute to idol worship. Some people can bring the picture of whoever they feel or sent and adore it to keep it to remind people about Susan Suarez, just as we have our flag to remember our country, just as we have the picture of our loved one to remember about the people, and that is it. And that's the field they play their American soccer. They play what they call American soccer. And that field is a synthetic field. These are natural grasses, but inside there is artificial, not natural. And you see that man there with his dog just moving around. The weather is getting better, so now people can come out to catch fun, to walk alone or with their dog. Surely, in evening time, so many people will be here. Some play sports, different kinds of sports. Some we play lawn tennis because the lawn tennis court is over there. And some will play American soccer. At times they use this place to play the normal soccer too. The, the football we know those in Nigeria know about. It's a quiet place, however, despite the fact that the road is over there. There's noise, but you can still feel the quietness of the environment. So windy. People packed over here to go to their various places of work. Those who walk around this area. So you have a free park. And that's a hospital. Right. That's enough for the day. Thank you for following us to move around the park. This is just this is just an aspect. It's so big. Cross over the road, you see another section of Douglas Park. So big a massive land, just devoted for sports, for relaxation. And that's very important for us to have a place to relax, not just building houses everywhere. We need to have some facilities for people to relax and catch fun and relax because that is very important in life. Not money, 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 money. We sell the land, build a house, no place for people to have recreation. That's something every community should think about how to have a place for their community. I think that's equally can help us to reduce crime because these youth they need a place to to play some sports. They have enough energy to display. If you don't give them an opportunity to use their energy in a positive area, then they will devise an alternative which may not be good for the community. So I advise our people, those people in Nigeria who always sell land, public land, they will sell it to build houses. Let them know that we need public places for people to have recreation, sports facilities, so that the young ones can exercise and engage themselves in some more useful things. Thank you so much for following us. See across over there, Douglas Park continues. This is so big a park that you cannot imagine. Just too big. But let's stop here for today. God bless you all and hope to see you one of these days. Bye. Bye. Oh, let me show you. This is lawn tennis court. And that's the lawn tennis court. This is free for people to come and play. You don't pay nothing. Nothing. You pay nothing to play here. But they have rules. This is the rule. Yeah, tennis court regulation. They have time for you to play. A court reservation, racket procedures. So you have to obey the rules. But you are free to play. Nobody stops you from playing. You pay nothing. The government maintains the place for you to play, or the community, the county, well, which is the government too. So they prepare this place and did everything, and people are free to come over here and play according to the rules. And there are some seats so that you can, if you don't come with any seat, you can just hang any place and sit there, relax, and leave whenever you want to leave. Then if you came with your own, you can stay wherever you want. And with your family, if you have barbecue, you can make it over there. And then eat, relax, and that's the direction. And so this is springtime, it is springing up. See the trees. They look dead before, now they are coming back to life. And the way they are coming back to life because that is so cold that now people can now hang around. See some people there wearing just normal clothes, no masking, no wearing of triple drop clothes to cover themselves. Yeah, so that is it. And I'm sure very soon the government will bring the people that clears the bush, they will come and clear all these things. It's getting big, so they will come out with the big machine, and then they will clear all these places as we get ready to enter summer. The government will bring people to come and clear this place so that it will look so nice for people coming up. Yeah, that's life. That's how it's supposed to be. Thank you, and God bless you all.